So don't take a bite. You know what I'm
Not today, a strong boy. Nature food.
So.
Let me see. I'm put American glasses too. That's what I stay. Come take me. The American.
Yeah, man.
Take me Panama, let me see. Let me see.
Where else, chef?
Out here in Montego Bay, you know, my body's coming down. One chef Navino, seafood cookout, you know what I mean? Montego Bay, but general there, Motor Kingston City, and we go outside. Check it out.
This video is a very special video because it's actually my first time doing any form of food content in a Mobi. First time doing food content in Mobi and actually link up with one of the baddest thing promoter, Mobi.
You know what I mean? When I real OG them, you know? Definitely, man.
That's a vibe. What up on the menu today?
Lobster, shrimp, barbecue pork, honey glazed, fried chicken. So the lobster, a lemon pepper curry lobster. And for the shrimp, sweet and sour, pineapple shrimp. Definitely. We know it's a pineapple in the sweet and sour, but the one here is a different one. Book him, check it out.
That's the
Chef
vibe.
Navino.
Chef, man, you know anything you want to clean out the outside of the pot, you know, man. Yes, man. What's that still like what? A pork this?
Pork.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, come and shower that way. I take me take care of.
Yeah, man.
That's why that one they don't have no cylinder in it. No regulator. Come here, boy. I go for a gas to the game.
Cabbage slice perfect like a machine slicer. Yeah, man.
Okay, let me show you. Okay, thank you better than yeah.
Ada pasta, man.
skin, seed, everything in the soup. So we get the cooking thing. I want to see how the boys get him content and see that. Yes, man, just like that. Tough.
That is it, man, you know.
That is it. Yes, we're the chef, man.
And soup is a thing when I cook it, man. From the get-go, you have to get it from the base. That's why enough people I cook soup and use cornstarch and flour thick. Natural food we use and get the body of the soup. Can't go wrong.
From the base.
From the base.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can't have a cook shop and the food not smell. Hey, you don't say. So for me to tell you, say, when I pass through this morning, from way around, so I smell the pot them.
Yeah, man.
As I come in, as I come in this morning, I tell Navino, say, from way around, so I smell the pot them. From before I drive in. You understand? Yeah, man.
Even that, you know, to boil up and do it, man.
Eh? Right, that's all. Yeah.
Going up and down. Yeah, buy gloves and buy large gloves.
Fun and pepper, carrot, sweet pepper.
Buy gloves, buy large gloves.
And them gone.
I'm not saying much people that they know all the time. When you pretend that them and then can't hold nothing, you know. Keep your fingers them together like a handicap. You know that.
Not today, strong boy. Sure, go epic, man. Not man. Yeah. Today, strong. Yeah. Not today, strong. Alright, tomorrow.
I want two cell, you go up on the road and that you tell me.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell him, alright. I'm gonna tell him. Dangerous. Alright, this one is Dean. Give me charge at 2550. I got one wheel and you just run up one flip. One go, one flip. What you said, no, bro, and I see a one wheel, daddy.
Chicken, so we can cook up chicken. You don't know, see that? Then the drink and junk already, and we there so that look after them. I say should have junk already. Him should have junk already, not for him birthday today. Ah. Him should have junk already to pull out to wake up back.
Alright. Yeah, man, alright. Yeah, man.
So that deep fryer right there is completely separated. It's parted in the middle, so you can use one side to fry chicken and the other side fry the fish. And even the fire knob, it's actually controllable from both sides. So you can control the fire from both sides separately. Oh, yeah, the fact so we actually see this from scratch and look where it reach now. Whoa. I know it not season it. I know. Respect. Yeah, man, respect, man. Yo. I know that soup, yeah. The season down it. I swear. Just look on the color of this. Yeah, man. Just look on the color of that soup, yeah. Yo, I know that butter soup and the flavor. I know it not seasoned yet. And just the smell of this, you see it from scratch. Yo, amazing. See soup boss, man. Soup boss, we see this from scratch. And I know this that don't actually the fire same way a blaze, but just the flavor of it and everything we're gonna need so far, you can actually drink this. Yes, man. It's so hot though. I feel like I gotta take a sip on it, cool out a little bit. Oh, God.
Vegetable soup, man. 6 different beans and peas, man. Pumpkin and all natural season that you could possibly think of. So now we're just catch the body.
I'ma think some meat in it.
No meat.
Gee,
Our foundation.
soup
that.
can actually look so good and smell so good without meat, brother.
Alright, the finishing product come called.
Cheese and
The
peas.
rest of the ingredient not to be nice yet.
Whoa.
Flavor profile.
We are kickstart the man with some vegetable soup. The man, the chef say you want 6 different beans in this, 6 different peas in this. Wicked. Yeah, this not need no meat at all. I actually think meat was actually in it. No meat, it's a strictly vegetable. And the flavor, all of that aroma, the steam just a kick out every box out everything out of that cup. Jesus. Yo, the flavor when this. Flavor when this. Wow. Yo, John star. Yo, chef, believe me, star. Yeah, I have a laugh. No, I really have a laugh, brother. This, one of the best tasting soup we ever had. One of the best tasting soup we ever had. And the fact that it's still up on the fire and it not done it, and it a kick the impact of this a create. Just the smell. Yeah, amazing. Jesus. One cup of goodness.
Have to try to
Look
the
at that.
When you get there now, just body they boil out. All when I before this body they get now. Natural flavors.
All of this right here are going on the soup pot. We actually are drink soup already. That's how amazing this soup is. We are drink soup already and the soup is half ready to done. Soup and that. All of that are going on the soup pot. Yes, man. Cup of goodness right here, sir. Vegetables, strictly vegetables.
We have to do it right, you know, because lights come
Yeah,
out.
go work with the
Because
flow, man.
what's me now? We have chickpeas,
Chickpeas in there.
broad bean, pinto bean,
Pinta?
pinto bean, yeah,
Oh, wow.
white kidney bean, peanut.
Wow.
What?
I
Five
found
out
that
of
again.
five out of the out of the
And a 6, they say?
out of the 6.
Whoa, you give me 5 out of 6.
Yeah,
Amazing.
reserve one reserve.
One reserve.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. All of them there. This are going on the soup pot
Yeah,
again?
final food
wow.
kind of
It's
the
a
soup.
second dose of pumpkin.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, the first set of pumpkin and everything was for the body. No, this is food support for the soup. Yeah. No, it's in Panama, in St. 1 for 1. Yeah. Yeah, man. You feel so good enough already. You know, you make me feel so much First, the food and thing was for the body of the soup. This is now actually the food for the soup.
Oh, God. Popping in the guy up there. No, say pop, man. Trying to get my bum around here. What you know? I hate them one.
Pumpkin and carrot, the substitute, so even the flour, everything what I use. Vegetable.
Yeah, I get vegetable dumpling.
Vegetable dumpling, everything. Carrot and pumpkin. Yeah. So we don't put salt in this now.
No salt.
No, we don't use much salt on it. I just natural flavors. The carrot and pumpkin have so much flavor already, so we don't have to use no salt in our way out. Don't?
Whoa.
Yeah. Look for the beauty. This is going in your soup, so this you eat. Nature food.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the real pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put quality ingredients in your product, you must get the best end result.
Wow.
And when you put in, you get back out.
Nice.
Can't beat that. And your spoon. S words. The ear. As we said. But I need to-
Go inside, go fix them. Yeah. No, no, fix them, sir. Yeah, use them. Just fix it, fix it. Queen part, you see queen part I only white the fuck. These things we give.
So if you not slide off 5 pounds, you know you have a problem.
What up with rice?
The bomb then.
That's shit in there.
The orange, they call orange now. Orange not going like you can't left. Orange not going like you can't left right on a yard party. See, so I shake it too hard. I see it. Shake it too early as a matter of
Too
fact.
much digging out still.
Too much, no, you not, no. You just shake it thing too early. You shake it too hard.
Lambo, bust out a telephone.
Open it. Yeah. Get it. Get it.
You know, kitchen staff festival, you know. If the kitchen staff and cook it before they're not supposed to go out to the public, don't? Alright.
On Navino, man. Got tape.
Yes, right.
Navino seafood no rape.
The macaroni season come back. I don't know what you want. Six.
Good old stewed pork.
What's the matter with the pork?
Current, you know. Oh.
Big girl, man. Big girl.
Let's finish up today. Go so. How's today?
I'm going to glaze your order.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir.
This is what Yard Life will be eating in this video. It's a crazy, crazy, epic day here in Montego Bay, and as I say in the intro, this was a special link up because it's actually my first time filming food content here in Montego Bay, and we get to link up with one of the toppies. Crazy, crazy, epic chef. If you don't know Navino, do check him out on Instagram. It is pinned here in the description. Just check out Navino Seafood. Just check him out. So, before I show you what they're on the plate, I'm going to ask you please just give the video a thumbs up if you love the authentic cooking. When I say all of that cooking inside of the kitchen, if you love all of that vibes, just please give the video a thumbs up. If you not subscribe yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Crazy, crazy street food contents, crazy kitchen contents, just crazy food contents overall, and yard content, authentic Jamaican contents. And we're gonna dive into the plate. Them, because we have 3 plates right here, and the 3 of them full of pure goodness. Look on this. Oh, just look at this. Ah ha 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 ha. Ho, 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 ho. Oh yes, look how them line up. Not even camera can manage everything. Oh. One line of food. Oh God. One big line of food, and then we can come up more with this. Oh, one big line of food. Yes man, we're gonna dive down into this crazy, crazy stuff here, prepared here on the menu today. And it's just a vibe for the year, for actually see the whole process, see how the boss do him thing. It's just crazy. When you see some videos on Instagram with him in cooking and thing, but this is the real authentic background. This is the real deal. What's going down in the kitchen. When you see the videos, them come out so pretty, a crazy, crazy amount of time and patience, may I tell you. In a easy, in the kitchen, and we just have to appreciate of the work. Yeah man. So, what we have here, this is the lemon pepper curry lobster, or curry lemon pepper lobster. This is it right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That sauce was made completely different and just pour over all of that lobster. This we have the barbecue pork. I think this is barbecue red stripe stew pork. Crazy, crazy. This is so epic. And we have the rice and peas in it, and also some fried plantains. And this chicken right here. This is the I think it's honey glazed chicken. So this is glazed with the honey sauce. Yeah man. And over here so we have the shrimp octopus. Oh, shrimp octopus. We also got bami right here and that sweet corn. And what's special about this sweet corn? What is special about this sweet corn? This was dropped into in a pot of well seasoned cinnamon with I think it was milk. All of that sweetness. Plus the corn already sweet. Oh God. Crazy technique, and the vibes here is amazing. So we don't know where I got dip in at first. We just got dip in at something. Yeah man, crazy food vibes. Look on this. Oh yeah man. And we have a natural juice right here. I think this is a guava pineapple. That's the vibe. So I got dive in at some food right now. Yeah, I could dive in at the pork first. This is the pork right here. This is the barbecue brown stew, I think red stripe, as I said before. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. As you bite into that, you can actually taste that you get that barbecue taste. You get all of that barbecue flavoring. Sweet. And then brown stew pork is actually one of my favorite already. So getting this pork was a must. Oh yeah. Sweet. This is the first thing we drop in. Oh God. Let's see if we can get a piece of the skin. See if we can get a piece of the skin. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look on this. Look on this. Oh yes. Oh God. Amazing. That's amazing. Oh yeah. Now we have some rice right here. You know, Jamaicans, we love rice and peas when it comes to rice and peas. Especially at a cookout. You bone to see some rice and peas, whether it be round red or gungle or some other kind of peas, but you have to see rice and peas at a cookout. Oh, amazing. Right plantain. Oh yeah, at a cookout, the bone to see some ripe plantain also. And also that bame and fish is a must. So we didn't get any fish. We see all of them fish that were well fried up and thin. We didn't get any fish. We just go with the unusual. Crazy. So the unusual, which is the that barbecue red stripe pork, that octopus, shrimp. Oh yeah, the lobster. I normally see that at a cookout. We always see that at a cookout also. But this one is different. This one is the curry lemon pepper. Or maybe I pronounce it the wrong way, but we can go in there to eat little more of this rice. A little more of the pork. This pork tastes so amazing. The time and effort what them put in this is so crazy. Early in the morning before daylight, kitchen are blaze. Let's take a taste out of this chicken. Oh yeah, you can smell that. You can smell that, the honey. Now you taste that, yo, this chicken sweet. Imagine eating fried chicken. Just imagine eating fried chicken and you have a bowl of honey in front of you and you dip the fried chicken in the honey. Wow. Amazing. Oh, I could go in at the lobster right now. Oh. Oh yeah. This is the vibe. Get a big chunk of that meat. Big chunk of that lobster. Oh. scared that that frying at the oil. Well seasoned down. All of that flavor. This lobster tastes so. Oh. Oh, this tastes so good. One thing women like about lobster, it actually done too quick. No meat at all then a lobster. Oh. That's some amazing lobster right there. That's some amazing lobster right there. Also, some carrot crunching. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go over to this octopus. I have to try this octopus. It's been a while since I tried octopus. I think the last time I tried octopus was at, I think it was at Ramesh de Souza's cookout. Yo, the flavor from this octopus. And this has okra in it. Spice. That pepper kick in. Oh yeah, definitely getting that spice. That spice just start kicking. Little by little, it just start kicking. And of course, this cooked down with all of the ingredients, and the carrots, and also this bean. It have broad bean, cooked down with broad bean. All of them good old onion, sweet pepper. Oh, you see that slime? Okra. Oh yeah. The flavor, a kick, and also that spice. That carrot. One thing more about the carrots, when you bite into them, you're actually getting that crunch. Crunchy, crunchy. Oh yeah. Let's go into the shrimp now. This is sweet and sour shrimp. Yeah man, this is sweet and sour shrimp. And of course, that sweet and sour shrimp have to come with good old sweet kind. With that okra slime. Oh God, man. See if I find more of the pine. Yo, that pine's so crunchy and munchy. Every bite you take, all of that juice is a bust. All of that juice is a bust up in your mouth. Yeah, man. Take a dip. Take a bite out of this shrimp. Yo, this shrimp looks so good in the pot. And it came out of the pot and tastes so good. Oh. Oh God. Yo, this shrimp. Flavor just a burst through all angles. Oh, God. A little piece of carrot on it. This corn is special. It's our first time trying anything like it. This is sweet corn, but this was cooked down in a big pot with cinnamon. It's a cinnamon mixture with milk. I think you can do that with Lasco or any other form of milk. Give it that sweetness, add that sweetness to it. And all of that herbs and spices, and this is it. If you like sweet corn, I think you're gonna try this. Yo, that cinnamon mixed with that sweetness. Whoa. Oh. You have just made that cinnamon soak in. That tastes so good. Oh, let me take another bite out of this. This corn is amazing. And sweet corn is already sweet. Popping juices. Just a pop juice. And then you get that cinnamon flavor. You must know. And the good old bami. Once in Jamaica, and you pull up at a fish fry or a cookout, you're bound to get some bami. And of course, the real authentic Jamaican way, this is soaked in coconut milk, deep fried, pure goodness. Oh yeah. See if we can get some of the pork on this. Some bami and pork. At least some of the gravy. Whoa. Whoa. Amazing food. Amazing food. Of course, I have to go back into this chicken. Fried chicken, crispy on the outside, soft and mellow and juicy on the inside. Just imagine you dipping that in a pure honey. Oh. All of this okra from the shrimp, okra from the octopus. Slimy for days. Slimy for days. This is the vibe. Amazing. I want to get out all of that meat out of that. I don't want to leave back none. and just go right in. Crazy kickstart for the Mobile vibes. First time filming food contents here in Montego Bay. And we come link up with one of the biggest chef out of Montego Bay. And this is just pure food and pure good vibes. We're going to continue going mash down food. If you want some more yard contents, please check out this video right here or this video right here. Remember to click that, subscribe. That's the vibe. Check out Navino's catering. Crazy chef, no joke. One of the best chefs in the entire Jamaica. And of course, Montego Bay's wickedest. Yes, man. And of course, meanwhile, we are going down into this food. We have to wash this down with some. I'm not sure which brand is this, but it says. I'm not sure if it's Kerry's or Kenny's. I'm not sure if it's NRR or R. I think it's Kerry's still. Don't think it's Kenny's. We have to wash this down with some crazy fruit juice. Yo, this tastes so good. This is guava pineapple. Refreshing. Tons of different flavors also. Nothing beat natural juice when you eat them good food. Yeah, man. Ooh, yeah, refreshing. Ooh. Yeah, everybody look good for my camera, man.
Let me see. I'm put my American glasses too. As a mistake. Come take me. The American.
Yeah, man.
Take me Panama, let me see. I'm going to be having my birthday party Sunday, January 26th at 3 p.m. See you all there.
Alright.
Big 60.
Big 60.
Okay, bye, thank you.
Alright.